All right, cellular reproduction. In this unit, we're going to learn the stages of the cell cycle, the stages of interphase, how cancer relates to the cell cycle, and the role of peptidysis. Okay. All right, you're going to begin by thinking about the life cycle of a human. And in this space below, I want you to write some of the stages that occur in a life cycle of a human. So there's just what you know. I'm just kind of activating your prior knowledge. What do you know about the stages of the life cycle of a human? So you're going to type inside of here what you know. Okay. Once you're finished with that, you're going to move on to this slide, and it's what do you know already? And you may not know very much, and that's okay. You're going to play a Quizlet game by clicking on this Q right here. You're going to sign in with your Google account. It should pop up. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you. When you're playing, you're going to play it 3 times. Okay, and each time you play, you're going to record your information here to see how fast you can play. Okay, and then it says right here, it says, how many did you know on your first try? Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you. Mine is probably going to pop right on because I was already on it. So you're going to click the Q. And it should ask for a login. So you'll do your Google account. That's what I used. And if not, then I think there's a free trial. I'm not really sure. We're just going to see where it sends you, but I think it'll do a Google login. Once you get there, you're going to get to something called cellular reproduction, and you're going to play the match game. That's where you're going. So you're going to click on the match. You are more than welcome. There are flashcards. So if you want to see what each one means, you can. This is interphase. And if you click it, it gives you the definition. Cell grows, performs its normal function, and copies its DNA. And then turn the card. What is a cell cycle? A series of events that cells go through as they grow and divide, which makes sense, right? Mitosis, part of the eukaryotic cell division during which the cell nucleus divides. Turn it. And so you can go through each one. It's a good one to know. Phases of interphase. That's the cell's death. Cancer. You don't know what cancer is. Uncontrolled growth and division of cells, usually from a failure of a cell cycle. A chromosome. That's the structure in the nucleus that contains genetic material to help it reproduce and create a new cell. Excuse me. So take a look through each of these. That's the one that causes cancer. And I might go back through one more time and flip at them and look at them. You can take a test if you wanted to. But what this slide deck is asking for is a match game. So you're going to click on match. Excuse me. And it's timed. So get ready. So what it wants you to do is drag the word that matches the definition. Okay, and when it does, it turns green and disappears. So here we go. You're timed. My best time is 36 seconds, by the way. Okay, so I'm going to click them when I think that they match. Here's the cell cycle. I know it goes through and divides. Interphase, cell growth function. I think it's this one. Boop. This is when the cell dies. Stages of the interphase. These are the stages. No. And then cancer is uncontrolled growth. Okay, so my time was 26.7. So I'm going to hit the back button. It's going to take me back to the slide. Oh, I think my slide's right here. Sorry. So my first time was actually, let me escape. My first time was 36. You saw that. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in 36 seconds. Some of you might take longer. And then the second time, what was I? Oh, no. I don't remember. Do you guys remember? See if it saved it. Oh, it's 26.7. So then my second time was 26.7 seconds. And then you're going to play a third time. Okay. All right. So then it says, how many did you know on your first try? So I don't know. I don't know. I really only probably knew at least 3. Then once you're finished, you're going to take these circles and you're going to circle. It says use the circles to the side to show which terms that you were told to study. So we did this one. We did interphase. Come on, widow circles. We did cancer. We did, oh, I think we did almost all of them. So you're going to put a circle on all of them. Okay. All right. So you're going to do this slide. You're going to play this Quizlet game twice. You're going to put your times in here on the match. See, it says match. Play 3 times. Again, you can look through the flip cards if you want before you play, so you have a good idea, and maybe you're faster than I am. I don't know. Okay. And then finally, you're going to watch this Ed puzzle on the Amoeba Sisters. It's called Cell Cycle. So the link is in here. So you'll just click them, and there's the link for you to go and watch the Ed puzzle. That's all I want you to do today. So you're telling me what you know about the human life cycle. You're gonna go into Quizlets, I think. Quizlets, sorry. Look at the flashcards, see what you know, and then play the match game. Put your times on here. How many words you know. Move the circles on the words that you discovered. And finally, you're going to do the Ed puzzle. That's it for today, 1 through 4. Okay, till tomorrow. I hope you enjoy the Amoeba Sisters. I liked it. It was good. I like them though. So there you go. All right, I'll see you in the meet.